guys, so today we are going to talk about the effective mobile application marketing strategies which are basically used for conversions. So as we can see that with nearly 70% of the global population having a smartphone, you can see that the future of mobile applications and marketing, all of them lies with the applications. Your app may be something that you have worked hard so that it can meet in the market requirements and you can profit from it all along. But whatever reason you created your application for, one thing is for sure: for it to succeed in the market. That means that we have to come up with an efficient strategy and effective strategy for the application marketing. So, do you know how to promote applications? It's a miracle that mobile app marketers can acquire, retain, and engage new users every day. Here are a few of the reasons. Use video previews for a CBR boost in the App Store. Now, the app review video autoplay on the App Store in both the search results and the product page. So, you can video grab visitors' attention quickly. Always remember that the video should start strong and should depict visually appealing and illustrating the app values propositions. And the video should be understandable even when the video is small and shown on a small scale. And also use large copy of the video autoplay on mute. Enjoy a quick CBR boost by testing and optimizing your first impression frame. It's becoming crucial for the developers to incorporate a strong App Store optimization or ASO strategy as a way to differentiate themselves from the competitors. A key aspect of ASO or App Store optimization strategy involves testing App Store creative assets. You should start with optimized first impression frame, which will automatically increase the conversion by up to 26%. And you should convey your strongest value proposition in the frame to encourage the visitors to install the application as soon as they land on the App Store. And to effectively optimize your first impression frame, you need to focus on the dominant assets of each platform. Localize your App Store listings the right way. Or if you are new to the world of ASO, localization is the act of customizing your app fit with the local languages, culture, and dialect of a given region or of any country. Now the other point is that you need to align your app for every holiday to boost the engagement and the conversions. We all know that personalization works. Targeted, relevant messages are more engaging than a generic and boring copy. But doing personalization well and at a scale is hard, but this strategy is too good to pass on. It's an easy way to add relevance to your App Store listing, whether you update your icon, your copy, or go as far as changing your in-app experience. So now, last but not the least, optimization of the keywords. So you should find and optimize the keywords that generate downloads. We all want to find the keywords that are bringing us downloads and optimize those search items in our mobile application listing. Focus on the keywords that are bringing downloads and installs. Also find out the keywords that perform better in terms of conversion rate to download and the retention rate of the users. So with all these information provided, you can surely use 3 to 4 strategies to make the best results out of your brand. And that's all. Thank you.